Another rip-off cereal. Fruity Pebble rip-off. Cookie Crisp. Frosted Flakes. Frosted Wheat Puffs. Marshmallow Cinnamon Crunch Squares. Trix rip-off. Oh yes, I'm in heaven. Which ones you get now? So, corn nuggets. Golden corn nuggets.
They're delicious.
Eaten by the walrus. The squid. Squid time. Happy squid time.
It's like a... What does this one say? Resist the devil. I forgive you. Yes, my child. Let me ask my dad.
He's pink.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
There's the Chia Pet Liberty Edition. Never pictured her for afro before. Motherload. Am I the only one that's a fan of the Morbidly Obese 4? Please, show the 4 some love. It's a beautiful specimen. Should be out there breeding to further the bigger 4s. Oh yeah. 4's gotten too small in my mind. Too small. Let me reverse that. ASAP.